Hello everyone. Well, today I got in this old Ilco, and this is a half ball. Try to pick it open here in hand. It's got some, here's our bitting. The keys right there. Reset this thing. I picked it open a couple of times. One time really quickly, and one time I had picked it open and didn't know it. I went to ease tension and it opened. Anyways, get back in here. Let's go. Might be that way. Yeah, I'm just gonna clean, wipe the surface up, but I like the patina on this one. It's the old one. There we go. Got movement on the core there. There we go. It's open. Yeah, you can barely see the pins on this one. There's one. There's one right there, recessed. And the other one's up here somewhere. There's another one. Then on this side, yeah, this one hasn't been taken apart. There's one there, and there's one there. It's really hard to see them. But yeah, it's got a nice dark brown patina. The shackle looks like it's been beat to hell somewhere. I mean, really crimped the crap out of it. It probably would shine up pretty nice. And it would be, you know, good with that contrast, like leave the back part of the letters and this part dark, but shine that front up. But I don't know. I don't know. It's an old lock. I like them to act their age, you know? Look your age and act your age. Trying to get it again. Reset it. Man, you can really hear them pins reset. I sprayed some lube in there. There, we got a movement on that one. There we go. That's about the fastest I can get that. You set like 2 pins. One in the back, and then you've got to hit pin 1. So you're hitting one of these high pins back here. And when I went to Walmart, I did a little recon today, and yes, my city has gone crazy also. They completely wiped out the toilet paper, paper towels. I got flushable baby wipes, or flushable wipes basically, which will work just as well. For some reason people hadn't figured out that would work. All bar soap was gone, just hand sanitizer. All cookies and snacks, all those things were pretty much wiped out. Although if you went back to the back section where the cookies were at, they did have some Chips Ahoy and stuff like that. So, but yeah, everybody's panicking and thinks that toilet paper is the thing to have. But yeah, there we go, a little Ilco. When I went by, I was looking at the brass pin punch set, and they had 4 or 5 of them for like $8, $7.95 or something, and all I really need is a small one like that, so I passed on that. I'll just use something improvised, but I'm probably not going to take this one apart anytime soon. I thought I'd show you it. So, thanks for watching, and don't panic.